Hello, everyone. You've probably seen attractive pressed plants in museums, herbariums, and even your own classroom. But anyone can easily press plants and make their own plant press from materials at home. For your plant press, you'll need some cardboard, paper, newspaper to absorb moisture, rubber bands to add even pressure on your press, and last but not least, the plant materials will be drying. First, you want to make sure you start with your paper on top of your cardboard, and then choose your desired plant material and lay it right on top. At this time, you can adjust it by spreading its leaves the way you would want it to dry up. It's important to use fresh plant material and not plant material that's wilted, brittle, in order for the plant to press properly. Adjust accordingly and then put another piece of paper right on top. Then you'll put another cardboard piece on top of your paper, and then you'll repeat this process for other plants that you would like to dry. Depending on the plant will determine how long it will take to dry out. If you have something more succulent, it might take a couple more weeks to dry out properly, but usually in a week or two, these guys should be ready to go and dried. Then you'll get your elastic rubber band and carefully wrap around your press. So the goal is to really apply even pressure on your press so that way your plants get dried up evenly and as flat as possible. Once your plants are dry, feel free to express your creative outlet and preserve a piece of your garden in your own way for years to come. For more similar videos, make sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.